Okay, hello to the group. John Sturr here from Holiday, Utah, doing a little, mixing it up a little bit on the videos. So this is now my repair video of maybe the year. So thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, yada yada. What I got here is a 2012 Nissan Murano, and we've had it since it was new. Bought it in February of 2012. It's got 181,000 miles on it. And check this out. This right here is the driver's side sun visor, and with all the heat we've been having here in Salt Lake City this last week, I think the heat has kind of fried the actuator or whatever that keeps the visor up. So what did I do? Being the resourceful person I am, I went to the local Nissan dealer and I bought a new one of these. And a new one of these, let me look at my invoice. New one of these is $245.45 from the Nissan dealer. Crazy, outrageous. I can't believe that it's like that. But what do you know? Sometimes you got to pay the man. So here's how you do this. I'm doing it myself. So you are with me on this experience. It's going to be fun. I'm trying to keep a positive attitude because I'm going to have to get a second job to pay for all this stuff. So you take this piece of plastic with a little screwdriver and you pop it off. It's detented on the front, so you can just get in there and kind of just snap it off just like that. And that's that piece of plastic. Of course, you want to save that piece of plastic. You don't want to lose it. Then you get yourself a screwdriver, Phillips head. I have right here a Dewalt. Dewalt has not sponsored this video, but if they would like to, I welcome the opportunity. So I am going to unscrew these Phillips head screws. And once again, don't lose any of the parts, because who knows what you're going to have to do to get more parts. Okay, so as I unscrew this, I'm going to use my fine motor control skills that I learned in the military to hold onto that screw, place it in the cup holder, and this whole thing should kind of pop out. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, we might be halfway there. So I'm going to take this clip and unclip it because it somehow powers the mirror. And there we go. We got this whole piece of shiz. Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm going to set this down in the car because the car's my workspace all of a sudden. So now I got to open this bad boy up. It's all packaged very nicely for $245. I would expect nothing less from the Nissan. Crack open the plastic. Very nice plastic. Oh look, and it's double wrapped. And the color matches, I think. Look. Yeah, the color seems to match. All right, another winner. Yeah, it's got more plastic. Okay, so you know what? Just like the dealership would, I'm gonna leave the plastic on as I install it so I don't get my grimy fingers all over the stuff. Nice. Okay, I got the connector and I'm gonna connect it. I am connecting it now. Okay, there we go, Houston. Stick that thing back up in there, however it fits. I'm sure it's all very highly engineered. Make sure the front detent is in. Get the first screw. Put the screw in. Try to keep it in there while I get my Dewalt Phillips head screwdriver. And here we go. I'm going to back it off a little bit, make sure I get the threads correct. And it's not. It's not going in very well. All right. I'm going to hold that one in there I'm going to use the other screw, the other hole, and then I'll make adjustments to the other one after I get this one seated. Well, maybe I just need to screw it in like a man. Okay, this is going great. Okay, that's in. Whew. Screwing the other one in. Good, 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 good. Tighten them down, because you don't want them getting loose while I'm, racing on the track. Pop that in. Look at that. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. $245 later. Take the plastic off. Oh, brother. I got the shade. That works. Powered up. Oh, and I got to put the piece of trim on. This is the fancy piece of trim. This is probably a $100 part. You don't want to lose that. Good. Good, good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little exercise of futility. And now I can drive safely, and the visor isn't like in my vision as I'm trying to maneuver in traffic at high speeds. Yeah. The Nissan Murano 2012 visor replacement video is now complete. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. I know this is some exciting stuff. And knowing YouTube and their logarithms, this is probably going to get 1 million views, and then I can retire. Okay. Cheers.